Hey guys, Dana Bingham here with your G Suite tip of the week number 7. Adding extensions in the Google Chrome web browser. Extensions are small software programs that can modify and enhance the functionality of your Google Chrome web browser, and they can also help manage workflow, improve productivity, and even improve ease of communication for both students and staff. In VVSD, we must get our extensions whitelisted before we can install them. To see a list of extensions that are already whitelisted, you can go to that top link. To request a new extension to be whitelisted by submitting a form to our VVSD tech team, you can go to the bottom link. Now let's get started. In your Google Chrome web browser, open up a new tab, select the Apps button, then select Web Store. When you're at the Chrome Web Store, you can either browse or you can search for a specific extension that you already know you would like to install. In order to search, click in the search bar, type in the name, and a list will automatically begin populating. Click on the one you think is correct, and it should take you to the spot where you can click the Add to Chrome button. Now, if you would like to read a little bit more about that extension, you can click on it and it will open up some information that you can read about the extension and even reviews. When you're ready to install, click Add to Chrome. It may ask you for permissions. Since all of these are vetted by our VVSD tech, go ahead and accept all of those permissions without any fear of doing anything incorrect or unsafe. It may give you a little notification that it has been installed. You can close that, and then you should be able to see it near the top right corner of your Chrome web browser next to your Omnibox. All extensions can always be uninstalled if you're not happy with the extension or just no longer use it. So ask around to your colleagues, see which ones are their favorite extensions. Install one, give it a try, and let me know how it goes.